In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Mailchimp to JotForm. If you're using these tools to streamline your marketing efforts and manage your forms, then integrating them is a super helpful way to automate and simplify your workflows. Whether you're gathering new leads or managing newsletter subscribers, this integration can help to seamlessly connect your form submissions directly into your Mailchimp account. Let's get started. First things first, you'll want to head over to the integration section in your Mailchimp account. This is where you'll find the tools necessary to make the connection between Mailchimp and JotForm. Taking a moment to locate the integrations page is essential because it houses all the potential apps that work well with Mailchimp. Once you're there, you're going to need to search for JotForm. Using the search bar makes this quick and easy. Just type in JotForm, and the tool you need should pop right up. Upon finding JotForm in the list of available integrations, go ahead and click on it. By doing so, you're taking the first steps towards linking the two services. The interface will guide you through the connection process. It's quite intuitive, but make sure you have your JotForm account credentials ready, as you'll need to authenticate access so that Mailchimp and JotForm can communicate effectively with each other. When you click to integrate JotForm, the system will prompt you to connect your accounts. Be sure to carefully follow the on-screen instructions that Mailchimp provides. This process might involve signing into your JotForm account if you aren't already. It ensures that your Mailchimp account can properly extract the necessary data from the forms you create. Once the integration is live, you can easily start channeling the data collected from your JotForm submissions directly into specific lists in your Mailchimp account. This automation saves a significant amount of time and ensures you maintain an organized and efficient workflow. You can also set up conditions within JotForm to further streamline which data gets sent to Mailchimp, tailoring it to suit your particular needs. To wrap up, it's worth mentioning a few additional tips. Always double-check your form fields to make sure they match with the corresponding fields in Mailchimp. Also, periodically review your integration settings to ensure everything continues to function smoothly, especially if you make changes to your forms or contact lists. With your Mailchimp and JotForm accounts now connected, you can confidently handle marketing data with ease, enhancing both your productivity and communication. That's it for today. This integration is a straightforward yet powerful way to optimize your workflows. Feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.